She's right over here. We'll head toward her.
Almost did.
I'm sorry. Here, let's go this way, Ella.
Let's go this way. Do you want to
Doing today? I like your hair. Great. Mom is right here.
Hey.
Hey, Lori. Hey, good morning. Let's go find Mom. She's here somewhere. Mama, she was right here. Okay, let's look. Let's scan. Let's go toward the race. You want to go toward the race?
I'm going to go to the race.
Looking for. Hey, Billy. Toward the race. We're going to keep our eyes open.
Eyes open. Keep an eye.
Yeah, keep our eyes open. Where is she? I mean, I literally just talked to her.
Look at the dogs.
Mama. Searching. She has on a hat. That's the kind of dog I have, Ella.
Start the race. Race first. Race first.
Race first. Is your mama running in it?
No.
Oh, this is the beginning of the race.
Okay.
And that was I feel raindrops. Are we sugar? Are we gonna melt? Nah. We're not sugar.
We need Williams.
We're tough.
When I see the Williams.
I know. I just hope your mom's up here.
Until I get to the starting line.
How are you?
30 minutes.
Start.
Once I get to the starting line, I'll have it set really fast.
Mom, where are you?
No, I don't see them.
She was right there looking for you.
Mm-mm.
Gonna get wet on the head.
Oh, no.
We're not gonna melt.
No.
Okay.
I need umbrella.
I know, and my umbrella's over there. Hey, Lori. Okay, let's look for Mama. Where are we? I'm scanning. Okay. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? See, I just... But she's not running.
Oh.
Uh-oh. You want to go get an umbrella?
Yes.
Let's get under here. Let's get under here.
I'm scared.
We're going to get under here. We're going to wait. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get under here. Hey. See ya. We're safe. Okay. You want to go around to my booth?
Yeah, I got a roof.
You want to go to my booth
Booth.
and look for your mother?
Yeah.
Or do you want to sit with me and kind of look for
Sit
her?
with me.
Okay, come on. Let's go. We can go this way. We're going to get wet just a little bit. Can we get through this way? I don't know if we can, Ella.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's okay.
The rain. The rain.
We're going to go this way and we're going to sit here. If we can't get through, we'll wait till it goes away.
The rain.
It's okay. It's okay.
It is raining outside.
Oh, okay, we're safe. We can't get in, but we're safe. See if anybody's in there. Look, Ella, we're safe. Okay. There they go. They're running. I don't think anyone's going to hear us. We're just going to wait here. You want to sit down?
Yeah, I want to sit down.
Okay. There they go.
Mm.
Are we in the nursery? Yeah. Hang on. Let me call Nathan. Call Nathan. See if he can get us in there. We're out of the rain. is that dog?
Rain.
Okay. We'll just sit here and let it pass, then we'll go back out, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to check it out. Where is the dog?
Inside.
Does it live in there?
Lift.
That's crazy. It's so, we can hear it so clearly.
It's raining.
I know. But you know what? It looks to me, Ella,
Yeah.
that it's passing. Because see, the clouds aren't as dark. And when it quits raining, we'll go around to my booth and we can keep looking for your mom. Okay?
Okay.
Did she call you? Did you call her?
Mm-mm.
Do you have her number on your phone?
458-3364.
Call her. Is that her mobile number?
Yeah.
Call the number.
I don't know.
Okay. No biggie.
No biggie.
No biggie. Guess what?
Yeah.
I think it. Still a little bit. Boy, it cooled things off, didn't it? Okay. You ready to go for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we're going to keep looking for Mom. Protect your phone from the rain.
Oh!
It's still raining.
Still raining.
Come here. Don't slip.
Don't say.
Okay. Do you know a mobile number?
458.
Okay, hang on.
3364.
Sit over here and we're going to call Mom. Okay. Hang on 1 second, sweetie. Okie dokie. Keep that. 458.
458.
Okay.
3364.
You're wonderful. Let's get her. Oh, that's pretty. You want to try to walk?
Yeah, trying to walk.
But be careful. It's slick. Hey, it's Melissa. I've got Ella. We are looking for you. Well, we were going toward the start of the race, and then it started. Okay. Where are you running? Horticulture. We're going to head to the horticulture. Okay. Is it okay if she gets a little sprinkly? Okay. Okay. We're coming to you. Okay. Bye. We're going to your mom. Protect your phone. Hey, cooled things off, didn't it?
Well, I'm not going to full out.
I go, are you running? Your mother's like, I don't run.
I don't run.
Hey, Amy. Putting it all up. How you doing?
Good about yourself?
Good.
Hey, is Tim Conner still going?
Ma'am?
Is Tim Conner still going?
Hey, Josh.
Okay, great. Okay.
Hey, hi. How are you?
Oh, okay.
Mom.
Oh!
Mama.
Annie.
Yay.
Chris.
There's our mama. I kept.
And of course you have your purse.
I was like,